Pangit! 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 Bakit hindi? Ayun na!
Medyo mahina lang.
Mahina!
Hello, okay na.
Ayan.
Yan, okay na. Pero bakit ganun?
Sabog.
Hello.
Bakit?
Hello. Start na po tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, basketball fans of Xenia, as we reach the pinnacle of this season, it is time to recognize the five individuals who did the game dominated. These players represent the elite of the league, proven by the numbers and the impact on the market. Please join me in honoring your 2026 CPL Meeting of Five. So first up is a Perdila scoring machine. He led the league in scoring with a mind-boggling 33.5 points per game. Not just a shooter, this season he stepped up his defense and averaged 3.2 steals every night. With 316.5 statistical points, the floor general from each town at guard, they call him my idol, Baby Ahero. Averaging 29 points, 7 rebounds, and a league best 6 assists per game. He proves na hindi siya buwakaw. He did it all for his squad. With 315 statistical points, the ultimate weapon from Bahol Mascara. Ay, UB pala, UB. Okay, he is our last season's MVP at forward, Juan Danilo.
Let's go, bud!
Joining his teammate in the mid circle, this man was a nightmare for defenders all season long. Your scorer will average 26.4 points and one of the league's best 3-point bomber with 398 statistical points. The sniper from UB at Harvard A. Espino. Is a player who provided introduction to both ends of the floor. He dropped 25.8 points a game and protected the game with 1.4 blocks per contest. Coming in at massive 367 statistical points, he is the two-way force from Boston Road. At guard, Chino Villaluz. Rounding out our middle five, the man who won the team, running double-double with 20 points and 12 rebounds per game. He was the heartbeat of the Pirates interior with 316.5 statistical points. The actor of the senior Pirates at center, the field senior Mark Lesnar. Group picture po, Mythical 5. Group picture. Mythical 5. Group picture po. Okay. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. To be the most valuable player, you have to be the best of the best. You have to lead, you have to produce, and you have to be the foundation of your team's success. This year's MVP did exactly that. He finished the season as the overall leader in statistical points with 368.5, while leading his team to a 6-1 win-loss record. He wasn't just a scorer at 20 points per game. He was a monster on the glass with over 12 rebounds and a defensive test with 2.4 steals. He is the definition of a powerhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for your 2026 ZBL Most Valuable Player from the Xenia Pirates, Mark Lester Carrion.
Huwag ka na bumelo dyan. Huwag ka na bumelo.
Okay? Thank you and congratulations to our mythical team and to our MVP. Let us start the game 1 of the 2026 ZBL Finals. Good luck to both teams.
Starting five.
Ay, sige na. Thank you.
Ang sa amin lang, ibigay nyo yung laro nyo, ibigay namin. Ang officiating, ibigay nyo na sa amin yun. Ulitin ko, walang foul dito. Depende lang sa tira. Pag dribbling ka, tumama dito, foul. Watch of the ball. Pag tumira ka, tumama, obligado foul. Depende ba sa tama? Kasi sa ano naman, sa free throw, sir, release the ball tayo bago pumasok. Kasi violation tayo. Pag tira, i-print na thrower, tsaka naman pumasok. Hintayin nyo muna tumama yung bola sa ring. Diba?
You know? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Tapping over under. No, no, no. Start na. Game 1. Hello, 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 hello. Ayan na. Ano ka rin niya? Easy 2 points agad. Itaas na ang kamay, over and under. Dummy 1, inside. Shot, no good. Rebound. Kuy. May hawak ng bola. Long pass, Kuy by Mabilao. Now, Espino, open 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. 2-3 na agad ang score. Osenya. Pass to Aloria. Aloria nagdadala ng bola. Aloria goes inside. Shot. No good. Rebound by Buenaventura. Pass to Dangiwan. Ang bilis ng laro. Dangiwan forcing his way inside. Kick out. Espino for 3. No good. Rebounded. Buenaventura. Put back. No good pa rin. Rebounded na rin. Nakuha ni Aloria. Aloria. Bakuy. Holding on situation. Mabi. Kinain. Crunch time. Easy to point for Kuy. 3-4. Isa ang kalamangan. Dummy 1. Side step. Jump shot. Is good. 5-4. Isa na lamang ang kalamangan. Osenya. Aloria. Going for someone to pass. Finds Domingo in the middle. Pull up hill in the wing. Kuy. 3 seconds violation. Aloria with a violation. Mainit ang game 1. Doroteo. Dangiwan. Dangiwan. Going to the screen. Goes into the ball screen. Finds Espino in the corner for 3 points. Grabe. Laging naiiwan sa Espino. Pull. Inside. Tough shot. No good. Too strong. Dangiwan with the rebound. Dangiwan in transition. 4v2. Lost the ball. Still got it. Dangiwan. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Aloria. Pull. Nagtatalo ng bola. Pull. Spin move. Almost lost the ball. Domingo got it. Domingo. Going for side of the pass. Inside. Shot. Who's foul? Who's foul? 28 with the first personal foul, first team foul. First shot, Domingo. First shot is good. Second shot. By Philippine. Offensive rebound. Doroteo. Inside. Bumangga. Answers the 2. 10-7. Tatlo ang kalamangan. Osenya. Philippine in the wing. Shot. No good. Rebound by Espino. Espino finds Dangiwan. Dangiwan in transition. Dangiwan. Tumira, wala pa rin, Lau, nakuha ang bola, Tumira, easy 2 points, grabe. Grabe si Mabi, nagbabawi. Osenya, Domingo in the middle. Back to Osena. 4-2. No good. Rebound by Doroteo. Ang batang bolero. Dummy 1. Dummy 1 to Bonaventura. Tulaw in the corner. Traveling violation. Parang busy ni Tanya Hero. Sinabihan na. Disappointed si Coach Kuy. Nagdadala ng bola. Looking for that ball screen. Kuy spins. Finds Pilapil in the middle. Shot. No good. Bonaventura tips it outside. Pilapil got it. And it's a traveling violation. Traveling violation. Disconnected. Doroteo. Pass to Damiwan in the wing. Damiwan looking for someone to pass. Finds Doroteo in the middle. Finds Benaventura for an easy lay. What a play by UB. Making every possession count. Pilapil. Domingo in the middle. Domingo. Pass to Aloria, pass to Koy, inside Koy, fake shot is good. Top shot for Koy. 14-9. Lima na ang kalamangan ng UB. Doroteo. Finds Espino in the corner and line ball. Last 5 minutes. For our first quarter, Pilapil, Pumeke, pumasok sa loob, Domingo, shot too strong, rebound by Damiwan, Damiwan in transition, Damiwan, in and out, lay is good. Grabe, lumilipad. Mabilaw, sobrang focus. Lau. Binabantayan, Pilapil, inside! Traveling violation! Iwas tayo sa pagtalon. Doroteo, long pass to Damiwan, Damiwan, traveling violation na naman. Osena. Nagdadala ng bola. Osena, and what's the violation? Lifting. So, kompletuhin niya ba lahat? May checklist ba kayo? Doroteo. Ano na naman kaya ang violation? Doroteo. Almost got stolen. Espino back to Doroteo. Doroteo forcing his way inside. Finds Mabilaw with a strong floater. Boy, long pass. Mabilaw. Hindi daw tinuro. Pang ilang session yan, coach? Doroteo. Damiwan in the corner for 3. Binitawan. No good. Rebound by Tinapek. Doroteo. Domingo. That ball pass to Osena. Osena in transition. Pass to Aloria. Aloria. Pass to Domingo inside. Forcing his way. Finds Pilapil on the other side. Pilapil shot. No good. Rebound by Damiwan. Long pass. Doroteo. Underage. Easy 2 points. Ganun ba gumalaw yung 16? Batang-bata, parang bola kid. 18-9. 9 ang kalamangan. Grabe. Athlete? Athlete or athlete? Grabe talaga. Pag sapatusin nyo na yan, sasapatusin ko yan. 89. Last 3 minutes for first quarter. Mainit ang laban. Awis agad. Pinagpapawisan ng bata. Naka-Baby Johnsons.
Mahirap pagsabay.
Ayan na. Aloria. Puy. Looking for that screen. Tries to find Osenia. Aloria. What's the call, rep? Traveling. Hili, yun na lang pustahan niya yung traveling, pre. Checken nyo na lang. Over and under. Doroteo. Spinner in the middle, stolen, and it's a foul. Who's foul, rep? First foul ng 16 na bata. First personal, second team foul. Unsportsmanlike foul. Upo, di ba? Wala. 3 minutes, upo. Unsportsmanlike foul.
Yan sa finals na nasumulpot eh,
Upo
no?
ka muna. Bata ka pa lang.
Finals ka na
Mainit na
nasumulpot
ulo mo.
First quarter,
Troy going into the free throw line. Substitution po tayo. Mabilaw. Upo ka muna.
Matilaw.
Troy. Shooting that. Unfortunate foul.
Ulo.
Shot is good. Another one.
Tayo. 38 na Tapos 8 mo, no? 8 mo.
Second shot is good. Grabe si Bok. Cold-blooded. Score natin 18-11. Pito na lamang ang kalamangan. Pumabala mo ba? Osenia. Tukoy. In the wing. 4-3. Gets the foul. Kakapasok ko ba lang?
Palasan tayo ang
Bulacan. Pumunta ka dito para mang foul. First personal, third team foul.
Kaya nataya. Sino ka lang? Hinihinom ka pa eh. Kasi hinihinom ako. Tapos ako tayo.
First shot, no good. Second shot. Second shot is good. Another one. No good. Rebound by Daniel. To Takadino. Takadino. Rio Veros. Back to Soria. Ay, Takadino. Takadino. To Rio Veros. Benaventura. Stolen! Osenia. And Benaventura. Receives. Espino for 3. No good. Rebound ulit. Benaventura. Espino. Floater. No good. Benaventura na naman. With an offensive rebound. Grabe ka na. Nung nakarami yun, wala yan ah. Koy. Stolen by Benaventura na naman. Dami one. Shot is good. 22-12. Sampu ang kalamangan. Aloria. Nawawala na. Aloria. What's the call? It's a foul. Who's foul, Red?
Takadino!
Ang kay Rayton daw. Sa kanila ang bigay. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Huy. The corner, forcing his way inside. Blocked by Benaventura. Another shot is blocked. Aloria tries to put it back. Benaventura with a rebound. Grabe ang performance nila pinapakita ni Benaventura. The new one is here. Shots no good. Comes up short. Domingo with the rebound. Osenya nagdadala ng bola. Osenya trying to make this possession win. Ayun na. Beautiful floater. Dangiwan. Uwarada. Dinatayan. Yes, the ball. The shot. Yes, sir. 24-14. Sampu pa rin. Number 4. First personal. First team foul. Grabe ang laban. Last 36 seconds para sa ating first quarter. 10 ang kalamangan. First shot, no good. Cool. Cool. Stop and shot for Green, no good. Rebound by Dangiwan. Dangiwan. Mawawala ang bola. Pinagagawan. Parang buko. Dangiwan. Dangiwan. Kumakayon. Dangiwan na naman. Gets the ball. What's the ball, Rep? Miscommunication ng Rep.
Yung pito, itago mo! Sino?
May pumipito sa sideline. Madaya kayo, ha? Number 10, first personal foul, second team foul. First shot, Dangiwan.
Sino ata? May may isang pito eh. Extra.
First shot is good. Alam mo na kung sino yung tumataya eh. Second shot. No good! Rebound! Ang laki na takadino doon. Domingo. Oras natin, 5 seconds left. Osenya. Cool in the middle. Pass Domingo. Inside. Domingo. First is a win. And that is it. What's the goal? 2 shots. Number 29. First personal. Penalty na po tayo. Wala na po yan. Wala na pong oras. First shot. No good. Second shot. Second shot, no good. Malamig, malamig. 25-14. Okay kids, tabi muna. And we're back into the ball game. Second quarter. Pinasok na. Pinakabata sa lahat. Nicolas Sora.
Baka di mo pa marinig to.
Babyface.
Sa ilalim na ingay.
Babyface killer.
Parang ayaw mo ata.
De La Cruz going for the inbound. Osenya trying to set up a play. 4-3, no good. Rebound by Babyface. Riveros to Dangiwan. Dangiwan gets the foul. Osenya with the second personal foul. First team foul. May tanlaban, nagagamit agad ng foul for these finals. Sino kaya ang magwawagi para sa ating first game? Masyado pang maaga. Riveros, Espino, Dangiwan in the middle, looking for someone. Pass Riveros in the corner. Riveros, floater, no good. Rebound by Kuy. Kuy, pinapersa. Kuy, sinasa kayo sa inyo. Overpass. Out of bounds. Orange ball. Daliwan. Doble ang kalod. Pinasa. Espino. Quick release. No good. Rebound by Aison. Chance to put it back. Block by Kuy. Aison with the offensive rebound. Heavy pace. Pinasa. Wala pa rin. Riveros. Again. In the wing. 4 seconds to shoot. Espino. 3 points.
Dapat sa YouTube man eh.
Score natin 28-14. Osenya. Binawian 3. Osenya for 3. Nicolas Sora, the baby face killer.
Oh, luwa.
Rio
Wala na
Boros.
namang bantay yun, oh.
Pinasa, pinakabata. Nawala bola! Kuy! In transition! 3v1! Binutbutan! Easy 2 points! Kuy! Double work, double shift. Rio Veros! Umangat! Using the glass beautifully. 30-19. 11 points. Ang Kalamangan, Osenya nagdadala ng bola. Kuy. Kuy. Miller, Domingo. Pinagagawan. What's the call? It's a foul. Who's foul? Who's foul? Number 3 with the first personal foul. First team. 33 pala. 33 with the first personal foul. First team foul. Inbound po, Domingo. Osenya, corner 3. No good. Hela Cruz. Lumuhod. Same ball po tayo. Tanya for the inbound. Tanya. Kuy. Goes inside. What's the call? Orange ball. Rio Veros. Rio Veros with the ball. Rio Veros goes inside. Finds Aison in the middle. Lost the ball. Espino for 3. No good. Rio Veros. Umeke. Umeke. Easy 3 points. Yes, sir. Ikalma. Osenya. Tanya. Binitawan. Binawan. Dos. Grabe. Grabe ang mga fans. Kunwari hindi bias. Riveros. Espino in the middle. Shot. No good. Rebound by Damiwan. Pass. No strong. Osenya. Naman bola. And it's a foul. Who's foul? Red? Number 4. Third personal. 4. Espino. First personal. Second team foul. Osenya. Going for the quick play. Osenya. Finds Tanya. Walang
Uli! Uli!
Rio Veros. Pinesa. Easily. 34-21. No pass. Intercepted by Aison. Aison goes for the lay. Blocked by Kuy. Daniel is trying to put it down, but still no good. Rebound by Kuy. Kuy nagdadala ng bola. Wala ba? What's the ball? Espino. Finds Damiwan. Shot is good. Ayun ka. Time out. Injury time out.
Tropa yan.
Bulalo yan. Bulalo. Tambak eh oh. Ilan naman? 21. Gusto ng shoot. Chang, bigyan mo Dami
Ako
naman.
tao dito, lalagyan ko ng train.
Ayop! Eh, hindi mo. Ayan, ayan yung orange na yan. Yung orange na yan, para kaya yan.
Hindi, ayun ako.
Hindi po, hindi ko ano ito. Bigyan na lang ito mga karami, peace. Yung kapi ko yan si Kuya. Kaya yung peace. Yun na lang. Ang ganda yung ayun eh. Sa Aptors. Yan. Ano nakita mo ba nangyari? Sa steel eh, no?
Ganda naman ang transition.
Sarap maglaro eh, oh.
Represent na naman yan.
Dapat dyan nakahinawagan mo. Mayroon. Taka din yung ringo ko sa no. Mayroon siya lang. Pantay yung mga laki, no? Pantay yung white.
Bola, bola.
Galing yan dyan, buti nandito ka.
And we're back into the ball game. Ayan na. Eman Obenan. Domingo. Aloria. Domingo. Shot. No good. Rebound by Dangiwan. Dangiwan. Facing muna. Dangiwan to Rio Veros. Rio Veros for 3. No good. Rebound by Domingo. Domingo. Naghanap ng papasahan. Pilapil. Pinabansa. Traveling violation.
Hindi binaksak yung bola.
Substitution.
Hindi naglalaro si Lester. Ay, hindi.
Bunyalesin.
Fourth quarter pa yan.
Ison out. Grabe. Rio Veros. Last 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Nicolas Sara, the baby face killer. Nawala ang bola.
Hindi face assassin.
Pilapil. Pilapil. Going for a quick play. Pass de la Cruz. Libre. 5-3. Sinabihan mo kasi. Tumira talaga. Domingo. Reverse score.
Bato!
Sa Rio Veros. Stolen by De La Cruz. Aloria. Pass. Pilapil. Shot is good. 2-0-1. 25-36. 25-36. 11 na lang ang kalamangan.
Patay!
Espino goes inside. Pass Bonyales. Out of bounds. Substitution. Buenaventura. Babyface killer out. Domingo. Pilapil. Nagdadala ng bola. Pilapil. Aloria. Lason. No good. Domingo. Domingo forcing his way inside. Another reverse to Pilapil in the middle. Shot is good. Pilapil. Back-to-back 2. 27-36. 9 na lamang ang kalamangan for this final game. Espino. Buenaventura. Tumira ng boss. Answers the 2. 38-27. Balik sa 11 ang kalamangan. Pilapil. Naghahanap ng papasan. Goes inside. Floater. No good. Rebound by Rio Veros. Low pass si Dangiwan. Dadagdag kaya. Easy lay lang muna. 40-27. 13 ang kalamangan. Just 3 minutes and 38 seconds.
This guy. Kalahati na. Edi si virus pa rin.
Dapat kapit ko yata yung boy.
Don't know, kapit ka, don't know, no? Sabay yun. Oo. Next team na dito. Na?
Dapat ito.
Saturday na.
Pilapil, Aloria, Pinasa, go inside, Osena for 2, no good, rebound by Buenaventura, lost the ball, recovers, Dangiwan in transition by Bunyales. What's the call? Orange ball. Same ball po tayo. Bunyales for the inbound. Finds Riveros. Dangiwan in the wing for 3. No good. Rebound by Buenaventura. Pass to Dangiwan in the middle. Dangiwan. Nakikipaglawan. Easy 2 points by Dangiwan. 42-27. Pilapil. Pass to Aloria. Shot and it's a foul by Bunyales. Substitution. Bunyales out. First personal, 13 foul. First shot is good. Grabing tira yan, may delay. Second shot. Grabe yung follow through, dalawa eh. Ayun no. No good, rebound by Pilapil. Puts it back in. 30-42. Babasa 12 ang Kalamangan. Doroteo to Riveros. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds for our first half. Buenaventura finds the spinner in the corner. Riveros in the middle. Riveros goes inside. Buenaventura inside. Shot is good and gets the foul. Domingo with a first personal, second team foul. Buenaventura going in the free throw line. Shots no good. Pilapil to Domingo. Domingo going for someone. Finds Osena in the corner for 3. No good. Domingo with an offensive rebound. Domingo tries to put it back in. Shot comes up short. And it's a foul. What's the call? May aso. Gabi na. What's the call? What's the call? Bench muna, bench. Committee timeout. Committee timeout. What's the call? Jersey number 29 foul. 2 shots. Second personal foul, 13 foul. UV. First shot. No good. Second shot. No good. Rebound by Pilapil. Pilapil looking for someone to pass. It's in and out of bounds. Pilapil in the corner for three. No good. Rebound by Espino. Finds Doroteo. Doroteo to Dangiwan. Easy lay. What a connection. Pilapil. Kuboy. Kuboy. Back to Pilapil. Finds Aloria in the middle. Aloria. Shot. Comes up short. Rio Barros to Doroteo. Doroteo. Pass to Dangiwan. Easy 2 points na naman. Back to 48-30. 18 na ang laman. Kuboy. Nagkatalo ng bola. Between the legs. Behind the back. Crossover. Inside. Osenya. What a find. Good pass there by Kuy. 48-32. 16-point lead. Dangiwan forcing his way inside. Spins. Lost the ball. What's the call? Wet. And it's a black ball. Pilapil, cool, for three, no good. Rebound by Dangiwan. Dangiwan finds Balaventura for two. 50-32. Balik sa 18 ang Malamangan. Pilapil, Pinagversa. Kinukuha agad. Pilapil, almost lost the ball but still got it. Osenya for three, no good. Rebound by out of bounds. Orange ball. 16 seconds remaining for first half. 32. Doroteo. Crunch time. Doroteo. Dangiwan left wide open. Three. Let's go. 3 points. And that is it for first half. Kume! Parang ano lang dito? Nawawalang Jollibee. Committee time out, nawala ng Jollibee. Nagkulang. Ano ba yun? Hindi, anim daw. Sige. Ha? And we're back into the ball game.
Dito ka lang, dito ka lang.
Ayun na. Doroteo. Doroteo. Espino for 3. No good. Domingo with the rebound. Ayan na. Domingo nagdadala ng bola. Nagdadala ng bola. And a foul by Doroteo. Pilapil, Cool, shot, Domingo, no good, too strong, Ventura, Tulau, now, nagdadala ng bola, Espino, kick out, stolen, De La Cruz, Domingo, crossover, Domingo, nawalang bola, Domingo, still got the ball, Domingo, forcing his way inside, shot is good. Doroteo with the ball. Espino in the middle. Inside pass to the Ventura. Too strong. Pilapil on the attack. Pilapil kick out pass to Koy. Koy step back. Pass. Alaria shots too strong. Rebound by Koy with the ball. Koy between the legs. Koy inside. Shot is good. Beautiful. Second personal foul, first team foul. Koy in the free throw line. Shot. Rebound by Damiwan. Damiwan. Long pass to Espino. Espino to Doroteo. To Lau. To Damiwan again. Espino kick out. Damiwan for 3. No good. Rebound by Black ball. Ayan na si Katin. Osenya. Domingo. Inside. Floater. No good. Rebound by Damiwan. Damiwan. Umatake. May kasalabang foul. A chance for a 3-point play. Shot is good. First, Kumi with the second personal foul. First team foul. Osenya. Osenya. Pilapil. To Domingo in the middle. Finds De La Cruz. Pass to Koy. Shot comes up short. What's the call? Orange ball. Doroteo. Espino, back to Doroteo, 4-3, bang! What a pass! Osenya with the ball. Shot, no good. Rebound by Dangiwan. Long pass, too strong. Osenya with the ball. Osenya, Tukoy for 3. No good. Rebound by Doroteo. Doroteo with the ball. Doroteo, Espino in the corner for 3. Too strong. Bonaventura with an offensive rebound. Pinapil with the steal. Pinapil. Pinagbags ang bola. Pinapil. Umare. Shot is good. 38, 58. 20 ang malamangan. Dangiwan, pinapatayan. Oh! Where did he go? What's the hold? Number 25 with a foul. First personal, second team foul. Doroteo. Pass to Espino. Tulao. Titira sa logo. Dangiwan for 3. No good. Rebound by Domingo. Osenya. Osenya. Osenya with the ball. Pass to Pilapil. 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 Kapin. Titira sa logo. Ay. Osenya. Osenya, 4 seconds to shoot. Pilapil for 2, no good. Rebound by Kapin. Domingo, to Buenaventura. To Doroteo. No pass. Intercepted by Osenya. Oh! That's the call. It's a foul by Doroteo. First personal, second team foul. Second personal na pala. Osenya. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Domingo. Domingo. Nagagawa ng bola. Passing his way in. Gets the shot and the foul. A chance for a 3-point play. Score natin 58-40. Second personal. Wala pa. Domingo, shot is good. 41-58. Acadino setting up the play. Finds Espino in the corner. Dangiwan almost lost the ball and recovers it. Dangiwan, pass to Espino for 3. Shot too strong. Sila ba yan? Kapin. Nakikipag body sa ere. Gets the foul. Nakita ang bola. Bola to ulit. Bola. Inaabot. Inaabot yung tuhod. First personal, third team foul. And we're back to the ball game. Acadino. Espino, 10 seconds to shoot. For 3. Shot too strong. Kapin. With the ball. Long pass to Osenya. Pass to Pilapil. Pilapil. Ay! Grabe yan! Ay, hinapiran pa. Ginulat eh. Acadino setting up the play. Rio Boros in the wing. Rio Boros forcing his way inside. Finds Aison in the middle. Aison, top shot, no good. Blocked by Pilapil. Domingo with the ball. Long for someone to pass in transition. Almost lost the ball. Recovers it. Pass to Kapin. Kapin. Tumira na 3. Pagad. Aison. Dangiwan. For back into the ball game. Last 3 minutes and 17 seconds for our third quarter. Nalalapit na. 61-41, 20 ang kalamangan. Uy, naghanap ng papasan. Finds Tanya, almost lost the ball. Pinasa sa UB. Kanina pinasa. Akadino. Akadino. In the middle, Danny 1. 4-3 points. 64-41. Koy, floater, shot, too strong. Rebound by Aison. Pinasa kay Akadino. Kind of vanish defense in transition. Close down. Force for the play. Buenaventura. Tumira ng boss. Yes, sir. 66-41. Kailangan nilang magkaroon ng momentum. Takes. Domingo. Inside. Humangga. Shot. No good. Too strong. Buenaventura. Pinasa kay Asenya. Hoy. 4-3. Short. Rio Veros with the foul. Third personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Tanya. Nagalit na papasan. Intercepted by Buenaventura. Walang blue, sinabol. Ginawang Combs. Osenya. Pinasa. Huy. Spins. Shot is good. 68-43. 25. Gamit ng oras. Takadino. Pinasa. Dangiwan. Corner 3. No good. Black ball. Osenya. Finds Koy. Koy. Setting up the play. Koy. Between. Oh, step back. 3. No good. Rebound by Domingo. Forcing his way in. Shot. Basket counts. And the foul. Who's foul, Rick? 28. Sino? Buenaventura. Third personal foul. Penalty na po tayo. Penalty na ang UB. Last 48 seconds for our third quarter. Shot. Shot. Dangiwan with the ball. Dangiwan. Balls over the screen. Finds Riveros in the corner. Riveros pulling the side of the pass. Pass Dangiwan. Back to Riveros. Riveros in and out. Between the legs. Lost the ball. Last 28.4 seconds for our third quarter. Ito na. The last play for our third quarter. Koy. Long pass to Domingo. Shot is good. Last 20 seconds. No shot clock na po tayo. 68-37. Takadino. Pinahas. Eman. Pinipres. Dangiwan. Ginamasahe. Buenaventura. Nawala ang oras. Grabe ang depensa. Binigay na lahat. Minasahe. Shiatsu. 68-47. Ito na. Last quarter na. 68-27. This will determine the first game, the finals. Kung sino ang mauna. Kaso na yung coach ng UP? Wala? O pinagsama na? Na-fusion na eh. Kaya pala ang lakas. And now we're back into the ball game. Last quarter na natin. Fourth quarter. Eto na. Sabi ko na nga ba nagsama na si Raydon eh. Nagko-coach na eh. Pinagsama na. Di ba bigilan?
Ayun o, bigay mo dun o.
Crunch time eh.
Bigay mo dun o.
Ayun na. Lester. Tres, no good. Koy. Shot. Comes up short. Rebound. By Doroteo. Dang Iwan. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa ang Espino. Wide open. Pinasa. Baby face killer. Shot. Domingo. Poison. Dang Iwan. Espino. Back to Dang Iwan. Going for that screen. Shot. No good. Rebound. Too strong. Baby face killer. Shot too strong. Pass to Pilapil. Recovers. Shot is good. 68-49. Balik sa 19 ang Kalamangan. Kayod na. Para sa ating fourth quarter. Grabe si Choi. Ang pinapakitang galaw. Galaw-gaw. Oh, wala pa! Choi! Dumaib! Doroteo! 5 seconds to shoot! Espino! Wala! Foul! Who's foul, Rep?
Ilan na nun?
What's the call?
Hindi kita dyan ba eh.
Ikalma. What's the call, Rep? Double technical. Number 4, Espino. Number 28, Aloria. For verbal altercation. Kung ano man yun, basahin nyo na lang. Oh, foul. Jersey number 28, Aloria. May kasama pang technical. May special ka. Okay. Ang kasama na sa foul, isa lang. Okay. Pilapil. Oh, in and out na walang kalaban. Domingo. Tumira. So strong. Doroteo nagdadala ng boya. Ang pinakabatang bolero. Under 16. Doroteo goes into the screen. Long pass to Daniwan. Pass to Baby Face Killer for 2. No good. Aison, shots too strong. Lost the ball. Espino, left wide open. 71-49. Last 8 minutes of the fourth quarter. Carrion for 3. Answers no good. What's the call? Who's fouled up? Number 21, Babyface Killer. First personal, second team foul. Grabe, namba-box out si Babyface. Koy for 3, no good, carry on, pass. Aloria for 2. 51-71. 20 na lamang ang kalamangan. Kailangan nilang kumayod. Subangiwan, 10 seconds to shoot. Finds Espino in the corner. Fakes, goes inside. Pass inside. Last shot. Orange ball. Baby picks for the inbound. Substitution. Ice not. Ayun na. Uy. Wait lang. Uy! Espino! Okay, no good! I saw the rebound! Put it back! Too strong! Domingo! Nakikipaglaban sa rebound! Carrion! To Pilapil! Pilapil! Crossover! Oh! Shot! No good! Pilapil with the putback! No good pa rin! Puy with the offensive rebound! Puy! Looking for someone to pass! Floater! No good! Rebound by! Bonaventura! Espino! Left wide open! Pilapil! Recovers! Oh! Drop step! Pilapil! Finds Aloria! Aloria with a traveling violation! Na 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Ito na, mainit-init ang finals for game 1. Jangiwan, Pinasa, Espino, Grabe! Sa kasalukuyan, ang ating score, 74-51, Simon! Almost! Domingo, shot too strong! Aloria, bumangga, tumira, wala pa rin, iba pa Pilapil, shot is good! Recovers, 53-74. Last 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Dangiwan, inuubos sa oras. Dangiwan, shot, no good! Rebound by Domingo. It's a black ball. Substitution. Riabaros in. Ison out. Aloria. Pilapil. Inside. Traveling violation. Buenaveros with the ball. To Espino. To Buenaveros. Buenaveros drop step inside, forcing his way in, lost the ball. Buenaventura recovers. Lau. Shot. It's good! Timeout. Timeout block. Timeout Senior Pirates. 76-53. And we're back into the ball game. Last 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Tanya. Nagdadala ng bola. Tanya. Finds Kuy. Kuy for 3. Yes, sir! 56-76. 20 ang Kalamangan. Espino. Rio Beros. Benaventura in the middle. Bagag. Iwasan itong tamaan ng board. Baka mabasag. De La Cruz. Left wide open. Shot. No good. Last 4 minutes. For our last quarter. Rio Beros. Back at it again. To Rio Beros. Espino. Ay, di pala. Lau. Par 3. Lisensyado na si Lau. Daniwan. Espino. Ganun pala yun. Ganun pala tumira ng 3. De La Cruz. Point guard. Oh, ang bilis. For 3. No good. Rebound by Kuy. Spins. Inside. Shake and bake. 79. 58. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Rio Beros. Espino. Tumira ng 3. Tanya. To Domingo. Crossover. A foul. Who's foul with? Espino. Second personal. Third team foul. Domingo. Intercepted by Benaventura. Nakikipagkakuha ng bola. Tapping. Napakalakas. Kuy. Tege. Wala pa rin. Tanya. Nakuha bola. Pumasok ako. Takadino. Takadino. Pinupasa. Pinupasa. Takadino. Balilan. Lampas. Espino.
Grabe kayo nagawa niyo ng bola.
10 seconds to shoot. Balilan. Binangga. Illegal screen. Number 28. Warning for graduate. Substitution. Espino out. Bunyales in. Kuy. 4-3. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Kuy again. Kuy for 3. Shot. No good. Rebound by Captain for 3. Lisensyado. 3 points. 61-79. Rio Beros. Last 2 minutes. Buhay pa ang bola. Rio Beros. Buenaventura. Libre. De La Cruz. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Capin. Umisa pa. No good. Rebound by. Oy. Grabe parang Kodem. Nag-slide jump. Rio Beros to Damiwan. Takadino. Titira sa logo. Tira mo na dyan. Damiwan. Rio Beros for 3. No good. Rebound by Domingo. Last 1 minute. So Capin. Titira sa logo. Capin. Long pass. De La Cruz for 2. Yes sir. Time out. Ruby. 81-63. And we're back into the ball game. Last 1 minute. 20 points in 16 seconds. Pwede kaya? Tracy McGrady. Lau. Inbound. Acadino. Titira. Donatello. Tira mo na. 10 seconds to shoot. Lau. Nahiya. Donatello for 3. No good. Tackle the rebound. Domingo. Last 30 seconds. To De La Cruz. Oh. Same ball po tayo. Last 25 seconds. 19 seconds shot clock.
Si Kapi na bahala dyan.
De La Cruz. Pinasa. Tanya for 2. No good. Rebound by Babyface. Doroteo. Lau for 2.
Oh, Kapin. Half court.
De La Cruz. 9 seconds remaining. Oh! Stolen by Lau. Last 2.5 seconds. De La Cruz for 3. No good. And that is it for our first game. UB takes game 1.